Hello guys and welcome back to another Hunter's Prestige video. We've got a Cuba Silver 110 commercial behind me. You don't get to see many of them. This customer watched one of our previous videos talking about if you've got a used car, we can spec it up to new. So we're doing a similar thing to this car. You name it, we're putting it on, making it, freshening it up. I mean, it's a 3-year-old car, so it has done some mileage. Doesn't look like it, to be fair. It has kept well, but we're going to basically freshen it up and do what we do best and make it look new again. He wants a black pack. He wants to get rid of all the ABS plastic on the car, change that to gloss black. He wants gloss black arches, our LED side vents, which are very unique to us. So if you want to stand out, then obviously they're a good way of doing that. A lot of stuff going on in this car. The guys have already started on it. George is currently busy prepping stock because we're short on warehouse staff. There's a bug going around, not great. So he's making sure that you guys get your orders in as soon as possible. So I'll just show you what the car looked like before, so you get an insight onto how much it's going to change by the end of it.
Right, so we've just removed the front and rear bumper of that car. It was actually an older model, so when we took the bumpers off, they were absolutely filthy underneath. It's quite interesting to see sometimes because we get a lot of customers come in with spotless cars, and as soon as they take their front and rear bumpers off, there's mud absolutely everywhere. So it's a good thing to see because obviously the car's getting used for a purpose, obviously taking full advantage of that 4x4 capability. Let us know in the comments if you keep a squeaky clean Defender or if you are a dirt devil.
So as I was saying, George is around here prepping.
I'm prepping spoilers. So we had absolutely loads of spoilers prepped. I'm talking like probably about 30 spoilers prepped, and every single one of them went out the door last week. So we're running a little bit behind, and as Tristan said earlier in the video, we've got every single warehouse member, product assembly person ill at the moment. They've got a horrible bug which is going around. So I'm having to try and keep up. So apologies if your orders are going a little bit slower than normal. It's because I'm a one-man band.
Yeah, you're feeling pretty rough from the weekend as well, aren't you?
I am. Well, I think no one would give me any hate, seeing as it's been 22 years since Ipswich Town got promoted. We've done it. Uptown and Leeds are falling apart. So yeah, big shout out to all of my Leeds fans that follow. So we're going to crack on with these. I'm going to finish these couple of spoilers I've got now, and then I'm going to jump straight back onto the car, help boys out.
There you go guys, have you seen they've stripped the front and rear bumpers, swapped them for the gloss black ones. Not only that, they've done the easy fit grille light as well as the side vents and the toe eyes. Obviously when you take the rear bumper off, it's easy just to fit the toe eyes onto there before fitting the new bumper. The guys have got a few more bits left to do. Got the mud flaps, which they're starting on now. Side panels to take off for the gloss black 10-piece kit, as well as the arches which are just the standard gloss black instead of the extended ones that we do. This has only taken them 3 hours now. As you can see, it's 11. That gives you a sort of a rough time of how long these take to do. I reckon they'll probably finish after lunch, probably about 2 o'clock. Obviously, if you are having something similar, then that gives you a time of how long it usually takes us to do these sort of builds. Yeah, the guy's gonna crack on with that. But whilst they do that, I thought I'd show you a sneak peek of what we've been working on behind the scenes.
That's right, our full Range Rover SV body kits and wheels are available now. Our full SV kit includes a front bumper, including the grills, side vents, SV rear, including badges, as well as wheels. All the parts that we supply within this kit are all Land Rover genuine, all the way down to the badges, as well as the centre caps for the wheels. So if you want to turn your Range Rover into a more exclusive look with the SV conversion kit, get in contact with us now. Right, so we're nearly done with this vehicle and nearly done with this build. We've just got some final details just to finish on this car and then it's complete. The actual goal of this build was actually to bring the vehicle with a little bit of new life. Obviously an older model, so we're just gonna give it a completely different look. It does look absolutely amazing now compared to what came in originally. It did look very basic, very standard, but obviously we've modernised that and added loads of different details. So we've completely changed this vehicle for what it looked like before. It's quite amazing actually. It's only taken us a couple of hours to actually do it. It's quite good to see that we can turn over such work and obviously make a big change to the vehicle in such a short period of time. This is what the vehicle looks like now. Right, so there you go guys, that is the end of this week's video. I think we can all agree this car looks so much better than it actually did when it first came in. As you see, we've completely changed the look from the ABS plastic to gloss black and just brought this vehicle back to life a little bit. We started this vehicle this morning, it's now currently 2:10. So we actually do these quite regularly. It's a bit like our bread and butter here at Hunters. A lot of people think when you want to do all this amount of work to a vehicle, we're going to need your vehicle for a couple of days. That's not the case, so always get in contact with us and we can give you an accurate timescale of how long we'll need your vehicle for. If you haven't seen already, we put it all over our socials. We're currently running a competition where you can win a free mystery build here at Hunters. All you need to do is fill in the competition form on our website to be entered for the competition. That actually runs out on the 31st of this month, so don't forget to fill that in. It's completely free and you'll get a free build here at Hunters. So that's the end of today's video guys. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay up to date with what we're doing here at Hunters. See you next time. Up the town! Yo.